All right, so the other thing we want to do is put in our survey control. Now, if the surveyor sent you a CSV file, which is a comma separated file of points, you could simply just drag and drop that into Business Center or use the import option and go ahead and import that CSV file. Now, in this particular case, I don't have it, but we do have control points that are on the ALTA survey in our plan set. So if we were to look in here, I can see that we've got these control points, and it tells us where they are. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to show you in this case how to key in these points. So I'm just going to move that over to another window so that I can see those points. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my CAD tab, and I'm going to click on create point. And the first point is point number 1. And we do have a points layer. And I'm going to show you, we're going to move that later. For the control code or the feature code, which, we don't have yet, but I'm just going to put NFIP, which is basically nail and pavement. Or actually NFIP, which is nail found in pavement. All right, so it could be control point, could be whatever it is, iron rod, you name it. But I'm just going to use that feature code NFIP. It's going to be a grid point, and basically I'm just going to type in the northing. So the northing is 68143, 13.54. And I tab over, I'm going to go 11897.810.70, and then my elevation for this is going to be 26, and I'm just going to add that point. You're going to get this, it just kind of sets a false origin, so that's fine. I'm going to click OK. And then my next point is also nail found in pavement, and my northing is going to be 68143. Nope, 142, 10.57. Tab down, and it'll be 11897644.16, and that's going to be 23.24. And we'll add that one. And then my third point is basically a mag nail set and concrete walk, so it's just basically, I'm just going to call it MNS, which stands for mag nail set. Again, those codes can be what you want to use. Sometimes people use PK versus a nail or an iron rod. IRS. IRS set could be a concrete monument. This one's going to be 6814020.14. Again, if you had the CSV file, it'd be easier, and you wouldn't fat finger something and put something in incorrectly. So just make sure you verify and check these numbers. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to add that one. And you can see that they drop in right on my site. So I'm confident that they're in the right spot. It drops in on that property corner there. This one here looks like property corner as well. And then this one over here is the other property corner. So I'll go ahead and make sure we save it. And then, we have our data that we can send out our control points. We can send out our surfaces and our line work.